We are a data center and cloud solutions provider. What we do for our customers is provide them either a safe place to put infrastructure that they own, or we offer them several different types of platforms where they can leverage infrastructure that we have purchased that they can rent from us on an as-needed basis. The scalability of cloud.
Well, I first came across Generac when we were involved in the design of the data center for VENYU. Our original designs for the facility did not include Generac. They weren't built around Generac. They were built around a traditional generator paralleling shed and paralleling gear. Generac offered a solution that really fit the need for the client and provided us with a way to save a considerable amount of money on the projects.
Yeah, Mike Ballas originally had a design that showed redundant buses, but he didn't have a control scheme. In other words, by putting the controls in each one of the buses using traditional paralleling, they would have had to hand off that control from one switchgear lineup to another. We were able to keep the controls all at the central point on the generator, so there were really no controls in each one of the switchboards.
I think the turning point for VENYU was really the factory visit that we went on. We had a presentation on site where we actually got to go in and play with the equipment. So to be able to do that before you make a decision on your equipment selections was an enormous help for them. Through the symposium, through the factory tours, it really changed our way of thinking about how we approach paralleling of the 4 generators that are at VENYU.
VENYU wanted to know more about Generac, so we flew them to our factory in Milwaukee and we gave them the plant tour, but most specifically, they got to tour our test bay and see the generators tested. My name's Kurt Gibson. I'm an engineer with Generac, and my specialty is data centers.
In addition to cloud hosting and cloud backup, a lot of customers use us for co-location services, which means that they bring their IT equipment to us and host it in our facilities. That gives them the benefit of our facilities, which is HVAC, redundant power, redundant network, and also physical security that they may not have at their facility.
So part of any good data center design is multiple power buses, so that if you have a problem with one, you still have a second power bus feeding into your critical load. One of the advantages of the Generac solution is that we no longer needed to buy the expensive paralleling gear that in older solutions we would have had to purchase. In every case that we've had these unexpected opportunities to exercise these Generac Geminis, they've performed flawlessly. Our customers depend upon the reliability, we depend upon Generac.